Okay, super commando style on this one. Boom, welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt of Sunshine State RVs.
What's up, Hank?
What's up, man?
Good to see you, sir.
Good to see you too.
Very exciting to be in sunny Gainesville, Florida today.
When it's,
It's sunny.
it is sunny.
It's probably 70 degrees right now. It was 35 this morning.
I gotta put a jacket on, take a jacket off, put it on and off. But we're talking about Ocala.
We are Ocala RV show.
Yes.
It is our Super Bowl. It is my favorite week of the year. We get to bring every van, every RV that we sell all to a field in the middle of Ocala so all of my closest friends can come look at them.
Right, the big show.
So I love it, But we are gonna have Chinook in the Ocala RV show.
Yep.
We're gonna have the Chinook Summit. We're gonna have the Chinook Maverick, which is on the Transit chassis. And we're gonna have the Chinook Bayside, which is also on the all-wheel drive Transit chassis. This behind me is the Summit on the Mercedes Sprinter chassis.
Right.
You know, what's cool about the show is it's February 29th on a leap year to March 3rd. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We will have all of these vans in one location. Seth from Chinook will be there to answer every burning question you have about Chinooks.
Which I'm sure there's a lot.
There's a lot.
There's a lot, starting with why should someone buy a Chinook over like anything else in this category?
Very easy.
All right, folks, let me tell you about an absolute game changer for those of us living the van life or embarking on overlanding adventures. Today's sponsor, Liquified, has come up with the ultimate solution for RV tank troubles. You know, there's nothing worse than stubborn tank buildup when you're out on the road, right? Well, Liquified RV Tank Cleaner is here to help make those worries a thing of the past. This enzyme-based solution does exactly what its name suggests. It liquefies solid waste and toilet paper, making the dumping process smooth, clean, and easy. And the best part, it's environmentally friendly and 100% biodegradable. So you can maintain your RV without harming Mother Nature. You can snag this must-have product on Amazon today. Just click on the link in this video's description. Trust me, your RV tank and your peace of mind will thank you. Make every journey a clean and fresh one with Liquified.
Chinook is a sports cars of motorhomes, they say.
Okay, explain that one.
It's a sports car motorhome. Look at this thing, isn't it beautiful? I mean, the paint, the body, the streamline. I mean, this is a B+.
Yeah, this is different.
It's very.
Think, I think it looks good the way that that the body and everything comes out. That's subjective. But it's different. There's no side door here.
No side door, no slide. So look at the view right next to it. So we got a Winnebago view
over there. Hold on,
this is
let
the
me zoom in a little.
industry-leading Class C, B+.
Yep.
And this is a Chinook.
Right.
So this doesn't have, this is very unconventional. That's why it's a sports car, right? It's different. It doesn't have a slide. It doesn't have a side entry door. It does have a rear entry door, which we're going to show you
Rear entry.
1 minute.
Yes.
But Chinook has been making RVs since the 70s. They made them all the way to about 2006 or 7. The same family owned it. They made beautiful all fiberglass RVs, and they were really, really top of line, really expensive. The family kind of dissipated somehow. I don't know. Business shut down, and they haven't made them since 07. They came back
they got hit with the tough times back in, like, what was it, 07?
07, 08, yeah. They came back about 2 years ago and started making these Summits, and we've sold Summits. We've sold the Mavericks. We've sold the Baysides. We are really, really liking their new product line. But what's cool is this is their brand new 360 lithium power. So this is their Experion 360 lithium unit. This Expion does not have a generator on board. It has 720 amp hours of lithium. It has 600 watts of solar. But Hank, check this out.
What?
You can expand that.
That's awesome.
An extra almost 500 watts.
So you could get up to 1,000 or
over 1,000, well over 1,000.
That'll recharge your battery.
This has Timberlines on the coach. Truma on the coach. This is Truma cold weather certified down to like negative 5,000 degrees.
Because of how they build this box, which is very interesting, very cool.
So this is something that you never have on Class Bs. Is this out? Oh crap! I just scratched my watch, I think. Oh. This is something you never have. Is that a tear I just shed? This is something.
We'll pretend. I know the pain, the feeling of pain.
This
but
is
you got storage here, so
you never have. This is something you never have on a Class B. It is outside storage.
Yeah.
So we just had these. We just had these units in the Tampa Super Show, and the huge welcoming from everyone that saw these for the first time. But this was I think this might be the only RV in the industry.
Rear entry.
Besides like truck campers, which that's the only way they can do it.
Yeah.
That has a rear entry. So
Yeah, so
follow
let's
me.
go in.
Let's check it out.
There is a step here. You go up.
So-
And also, this has some things you don't find in other places.
Like what's that?
Like this big bathroom.
That is true. Big
Yeah.
separate
Huge.
shower. Check this out.
Oh.
Very cool.
Yeah, look at that.
Very cool.
I gotta
Elbow room,
actually
2
step
shower
back here to show
heads.
people.
I can wash my neck and my face at the same time.
Yeah, you got a little space up in there, you know.
Very cool, right?
Yeah.
Nice shower.
This is
Then
awesome.
you have a separate toilet
Now
room.
look at this. Oh, look at that.
Separate toilet.
All this room.
I like how light it
The
is.
toilet.
and
Check
airy
that
it is
out.
in
You guys
here.
get to see the new camera in here.
Oh, there we go.
Right?
There we
See the new camera. Nice big sink.
I like the LED
Lighted.
lights.
Yes, storage up in here. You know, here as well. Medicine cabinet. Very nice big mirror. It's cool.
I think they're in.
cool.
And what's cool is their Bayside.
Look what's
that?
right behind you too.
Big
Yeah.
storage cabinet.
Yeah.
Their Bayside is a Ford Transit
Yep.
on the all-wheel drive chassis.
That is awesome.
And
Right
it
there.
is the only true van that I know of that has a separate shower and toilet.
Yeah.
So we will have one of those at the show with twin beds, separate shower and toilet in the back of the van.
Yeah.
So this is the inside. I mean, very wide,
Rear kitchen.
very tall.
Yeah.
It has ducted air conditioner, lithium batteries, nice big leather sofa. It has their Victron
Here's your
energy.
control.
Victron stuff here with all the controls. It has a convection microwave
Cool.
with microwave and convection on it.
A bigger fridge, not necessarily the biggest.
Not
but
the
a bigger
biggest,
fridge.
but a big fridge. This has a dinette here that can be into a bed, and this can be a bed. So you can have twin beds. You can have a dinette.
I'm
that
gonna
you
go
can
back this way. Yeah. So.
you can work on
show
this
folks
dinette
this,
here. You can sit here. Oh, this is comfortable.
Yeah.
You can recline, live
Yeah.
the life.
I like
you can be
this.
looking
Lots
out
of
the
seating.
window. This is what happened in my family. If I was driving this, my wife or my oldest daughter would sit right here, and they'd be chirping in my ear the whole time I'm
Yeah.
driving. Slow down, speed up, turn right, turn left. Right there.
They're the
whole
boss of
time.
you, man. Let's just be honest.
No one's the boss of me.
Those ladies
No one's the boss of me.
in the Schmidt household are the bosses of
But
you.
I can see my wife enjoying this seat right here.
Right.
But very nice. You get a live pass through, nice big TV. Everyone comes standard with leveling jacks, which are very cool. You get a JBL stereo. You get lots of insulation.
And this is actually the access to the back of that, believe it or not.
Isn't it?
Go all the way in there, and there's another one, and the JBL.
110
and there's
plugs
all kinds
everywhere.
of storage here that I can show you guys. We're gonna try to keep this like short, just because we're, inviting everyone, right, to come see this.
No, I mean this is going to be at the Ocala RV show.
Yeah.
This is going to be this is the first Expion 360 Bayside that we have. We have sold a handful of the Baysides. This is a Summit, the Expion 360 Summit. This is
Right.
the first one. We've sold the Baysides, we've sold the Mavericks. This is the first Summit. So I'm
Yeah.
glad they have a Mercedes, they have a Transit B Plus, and then they
Yeah.
have a Transit B. So I'm glad that
Yeah.
Chinook is having the full line.
Yeah.
They
Very
do.
good.
They're all made in Indiana. Lots of really cool attention built to these. Jeff is their plant manager. Jeff does a phenomenal job at construction, does a great job at the way these are built. They would love to walk you through their plant up in Indiana anytime.
Yeah, I think I'm making plans to go up there because Jeff actually did the video with me a long time ago when they
That
first
was years
announced
ago.
it.
That
Yeah,
was
years
good.
at this point.
2 or 3 years ago.
Nick, something's catching my. Is this the AC?
It's a ducted AC system. So that's the main dump area, and these are the ducts here.
Cool. And
So
it is
they
a
blow.
Truma. It's the new
It
Truma
is.
Venti.
It
in here?
is very
Oh,
cool. True air conditioner.
That's sweet. Okay, yeah. So ducted. Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah. So I'm impressed. I love this thing. I think it's going to be great, and I think that you should come to Tampa, to Ocala, not Tampa.
Yeah.
You should come to Ocala February 29th to March 3rd. Check out our display and check out all of the cool Chinooks we're going to have there. And
Absolutely.
Hank will be there as well.
Yes, you can. If you're looking at this on YouTube,
Yeah.
and you're enjoying our shenanigans, and you want to shenanigans, is that a good word?
Shenanigans? That's a verb. Is that a verb?
I don't know. Somehow I'm gonna get in trouble for that one. If you want to hang out with us and see, are we really like this?
Most of the time.
Yeah, unfortunately, you're gonna find out this is how we act. You could do it in person for a limited time,
A limited time.
right? At the Ocala RV
Are
show.
you having a meetup at the show?
No. You know what? I'm not organized like Scott, man. I don't have time.
We're gonna have a Hank meetup.
Whatever you organize, I will be at.
Perfect. I'll organize.
How is that? There you go. Yes. But I do want to thank, like we actually hit 75,000 subscribers on this channel, StrangerPalooza.
That's pretty awesome. You're doing a good job.
And I'll give you a little bit of credit for that. I'll give you 7.5% of the credit.
7.5%. Not 10%. 7,500.
Yeah.
Not 10%.
Yeah. No. Okay. I'll give you 10% of the credit. There you go. There you go. You're welcome.
Just tithe to me. Kind of like.
Right. Yeah. Exactly.
It's good enough for God. It's good enough for me.
Yeah. You could say I gave Hank those 7,500 subscribers. But we thank and appreciate everyone out there. Sunshine State RV also has a YouTube channel.
We do.
Right? And you guys could check that out, get info there and all that. But big thanks to everyone. I haven't really made like any kind of, it's been too busy, to make an announcement. I'll tell you what, when I get that silver play button that
for the 100,000.
Yes, I'll show that. I'll show that to you.
We'll have a party.
And I'll show you my other one because I have another one.
We'll have a party.
Yeah, we'll show that off. So I'll let you end this.
There we go. Ocala RV show, February 29th to March 3rd. Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Hank will be there. I'll be there. Come hang out. And this beautiful Chinook will be there.
Absolutely.
Thank you for watching.
We'll see you in the next one. Peace.